With this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to log into our Collaborate, a little bit about how to set it up, and a little about how we're going to use it. So the first thing that you need to do is to select the Collaborate button. This brings up a screen of the available Collaborate sessions that you have access to. In this case, there's only one, the ELFH 300 online class. However, throughout your course of study, there's going to be more depending upon the class that you take. So you would click the ELFH 300 online class, and that's going to take you to a welcome screen. And you'll notice that there are some icons at the bottom. So let's take a look at those first. The first one that you're going to see are the four bottom icons that represent the green check mark signifies that you are online. There's a microphone button that signifies that your microphone is either on or off. Currently it is off. You would select it to turn it on. There's a camera button that signifies that currently the camera is off. You would click it to turn your camera on. And then there is a raise your hand button. Typically what we will do is keep the microphone muted or off and the video off. And then if you want to say something, you simply click the raise your hand button. I will call on you then, and then you can turn your mic on. This keeps all the microphones from all the students being on at the same time and all the cluttering noise that would be associated with it. The next icon you need to be aware of is the purple arrow button. When you click that displays, so it brings up a screen that displays these buttons, which is the chat room button, showing that how many students are in, the share application button, and the setup button. So the type of content that we can share is a blank whiteboard, an application, files. We can actually do some polling and go into breakout groups. So typically you would be using these in other classes. What we're going to be using it for is to have my class session with you online, and where I will be sharing some content and sharing applications and maybe look at doing some work with the whiteboard. So that's what you need to know for now, is just to be able to log into our Blackboard, or I'm sorry, log into our Collaborate by clicking the online class button. The welcome screen will then be displayed. And then depending upon what application that I have open, you will see the screen for the chat, share application, and so forth. So that's all for now. I suggest that you go ahead and play around some with Collaborate before we have our next session. That's all for now.